Another year, another big surprise deals for online shoppers. Let's start this year with a bang at AliExpress Choice D up to 60% off discount. For interested, just check the link and the new coupon in the video description. It's a lot of categories that you can choose for, perfect for this year's new fashion and trending stuff, and a lot more. We also have here, guys, the gift for love items categories. Let's check it. Branded gifts for your loved ones, like this perfume. Let's check this. Prada Luna Rosa Ocean for men. You can get these items for just only $73.90 from its original price of $106. You can save as much as $112 for these items if you want to order from the Choice Day event. You can find more items here if you want. There's a lot of categories. If you want to order, guys, for your family and loved ones and save more, just check now the coupon and video description. Choice D also offers their stay warm items. You can save here as much as $60 on every order you make. For these categories, offers the best outfit fashion deals for every one of us. Let's try to check this one. This America 1776 athletic depth later print man's hoodies. You can get these items for just less than $1 from its original price of $19.23. You can save as much as $18.24 if you order these items with coupon. See, guys, you can save more here if you order more, because some products here is less up to 90% off from its original price. Also, you have to do, guys, just check the link on the video description. ID if you want to shop on AliExpress. You can find also here the coupon that you can use for to discount on every item you order. Guys, just check now and go to AliExpress and shop. Happy New Year.